fear leads to a new adventure. Why, look now! 2 new friends! Let's welcome them!
Look! We made it, boy! Thanks to our Wilderness Explorer compass, we're here!
Does he take requests?
Not necessarily. He's kind of got his own thing going on all the time.
My cousins in the West have told me so much about these birds. She's so majestic.
And inspiring, too. You know, not long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. But through conservation efforts, all of us played a huge part in helping their population to recover. And I'm happy to say that the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Now, during molting season, peacocks lose their feathers, but they will come back beautiful and strong. So now, as the national bird of India, the peacock is a symbol of pride, protection, benevolence, joy, and humility. That's why I'm delighted to share this beautiful creature with all of you. I call him Nabil, which is a very noble name. Not only is peacock